Hey guys, welcome to Log News. Today I'll be showing you how to delete all of your emails on your Gmail account. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete all of your emails on your Gmail account, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and sign into your Gmail account which has most of your emails like this. I have already logged into my Gmail account on my computers guys, so I will not be quite log into it again. And over here guys, to proceed to delete all of your emails on your Gmail account, at the top left corner of the screen or where I'm hovering right now, there is an empty box you can see here guys, just below the search icon or the search bar, and over here it says select. Click on that button like this guys, and after that only your 50 conversation on this page are selected, but over here on the next side it says select all 51 conversations in primary. So here are my all mail, so let's go into the all mail, and all of my mail will be available over here. So in order to delete it, just click on it again, and here it says guys select all the 170 conversations in all mail, which this means that guys when we are on the inbox all of the mail won't be selected, but when we're in the all mail section or the category, we will be able to choose or select all of our mails in order to delete it. So after choosing your all 50 conversations in this page, and click on over here where it says select all 170 conversations in mail, and here you can see guys all of the 170 conversations in all mail are selected. And from over here you can see here is the delete button available. You can proceed to the delete action over here, and after we have clicked on the delete icon over here, this this interface appeared, and if you click on OK guys, all of our mail on Gmail will be deleted. And then guys, this is how you delete all of your emails on your Gmail account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.